Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the compass calibration feature on the Maps.me application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Scroll down and click on Settings. After that, you should see this compass calibration feature, which is the fourth option within the map and navigation section. So if you would like to display the compass on the map that you are using, click on this button on the right side of the screen and then it will be enabled, so you will be able to see it here on the map. And if you want to disable it, just go back to the map and navigation section and click on the same button and then it will be disabled. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.